Friends, today this simple multiplication trick will amaze you. I know you can multiply them, but with the normal method it takes a lot of time. Tell me how you know to multiply 24 and 26. I think you multiply like this, which you are taught in your school level. 6 4 are 24, 4 carry 2, 6 2 are 12, 2 14. Okay, 4 2 are 8, 2 2 are 4. So the answer is 4, 8 4 12, 2 carry 1, 4 5 1, 6, 624. So it took a minute, isn't it? Now I'll teach you that method where you can find its solution within 1 second. So friends, focus on the digit at ones place. So ones place, here is 4, here is 6. So 4 and 6 you multiply. 4 and 6 you multiply. 4 6 are 24. Yes, 4 6 are 24. Now you see the digit at tens place. Both are same. So what you do? You increase 1 in this tens place digit. That is, what comes after 2? 3. So multiply that 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. Yes, this is the answer. Friends, this is the answer. If you don't believe, you can check out the calculator and check the answer, please. Okay, let's see the next solution. The next solution is 58 into 52. So 8 into 2, how much? 8 2 is 16. So 16 you have to write. Okay, now 5. 5, after 5 comes 6, 5 6 are 30. So this is our answer. Let's see the next number, 71 into 79. So 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9, but friends, you should know you have to make 2 digit. So we add 0 in front. Okay, we add 0 in front. Now after 7 what comes? After 7 8 comes. So 7 8s are 56. So this is our answer. Let's see the next number, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Okay, it is already 2 digit. Now after 6 what comes? 7. 6 7s are 42. So this is our answer. Isn't it so easy? So friends, to use this trick you need some rules, and the rule is, rule number 1, the digits adds ones place. When you add, you should get 10. Okay, the sum of the digit at ones place, when you add you should get 10. Okay, you see all the numbers here, the digit at ones place, when you are adding you are getting how much? 10. So this is rule number 1. And the rule number 2 is, the digit at tens place, they should be same. Okay, the digit at tens place, they should be same. So they should be same. So these two rules you should follow to use this trick. So let's see the next number, 87 into 83. So 7 and 3 you multiply, 21, already 2 digit, and 8, after 8 9 comes. So 8 9 is 72. So this is our answer. Okay, so next number is 92 into 98. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so after 9 10 comes. So 9 10s are 90, and this is our answer. So if you like the video, then don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much.